Army officer. Yes, so I request Major Oberoi ji speak few words. Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. నాకు ఇండస్ట్రీ గురించి ఏమీ తెలియదండి. ఐఎమ్ బేసికలీ అకాడమిక్ పర్సన్. పిల్లలకి పాఠాలు చెప్తాను. బికాజ్ I was also an army officer in the Indian Army and I have served the country for 11 years. From 2004 to 2015, I served my country. I served in J&K, I have served in Northeast Rajasthan. Some of you would have watched me in few TV news channels also. In the recent times, I've been trolled in YouTube, trolled positively at least. So, sir, wishing all of you very all the best. And one more thing, I want to use this platform to give a message to everybody that the nation wants us at this moment to be united, okay? And no matter what Pakistan, China, America, Turkey, they want to disturb the communal harmony of a country. And I'm sure in the team also there is very good variation in the team. And this is the time for all of us to be united and also to respect the sovereignty and integrity of our country, okay? నేను ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోను. ఐఎమ్ born and brought up in Hyderabad. I'm a pure Telugu bidda. And though I look Punjabi, but all my roots are from Telugu states of AP and Telangana. So Murli Nayak Garu, we know that he has made the supreme sacrifice for this country. So this is where Manamu Pakistan ki we are different, sir. Pakistan lo army people run away in the battlefield, but India lo a tradition ledandi. మనం ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక లక్ష్యం మనం పెట్టుకుంటే అది సాధించేంత వరకు మన ప్రాణత్యాగానికైనా మనం వెనుకాడము. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ది సన్స్ ఇండియా హ్యాస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ ఇన్ ది పాస్ట్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ మూమెంట్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్ దట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ సన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సాయిల్, మురళీ నాయక్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ తెలుగు ల్యాండ్, has made the supreme sacrifice. So it is not about collecting money and sending it across to him or his family. It is about identifying the supreme sacrifice that the family has made. Okay. Once again, thank you very much for calling me on this occasion, and also to the team. You have done a fantastic job, though I did not see the teaser as such, but I am sure, but I'll definitely come to watch this movie. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind to all.
Jai Hind, sir. Thank you, Oberoi ji. Thank you so much. Yeah, please. Thank you.